Hello, welcome back to Python programming. So, in this video, I'm going to discuss why Python, about the Python programming and why we need Python in different streams, what is the need of Python. So, for civil, for mechanical, for electrical, for CSC, for all, why the Python needs. So, let's start the Python programming in this video lecture. So, why Python? For civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics, computer science. So what is the need of the Python for civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics and computer science? First one, why Python for civil? Population forecasting, prediction of floods, predicting traffic trends, construction management, structural engineering. For civil students, they will need to define what is the population forecasting, what is the prediction of floods, how the prediction of floods needs, what is the predicting traffic trends, construction management, structural engineering. Next, coming to the electrical. So, what the electrical students learn, why Python is used for electrical students, for automate equipment is for future power generation, for future power consumption, automating building system, power on off system. So, this is the electrical students learn about why Python need. So next coming to the mechanical. So mechanical people defines the Python or need the Python for automating boring work, prediction of stress on objects, machine design, simulation and modeling. So drawing. So turtle models. In this turtle models you'll get in second unit. We'll go for this mechanical way. So next coming to the electronics. So why electronics people need this Python? For signal processing, image processing, embedded systems, Internet of Things and robotic design. To learn all these, to learn signal processing, to learn image processing, to learn embedded system, to learn Internet of Things, to learn robotic design, we'll use this electronics. Electronic students learn about all these in Python language. So next coming to the computer science. So computer science students must learn the Python programming language. Why? Because they are the programming students. So for that why Python is mostly used to computer science students. First for data science, computer vision, artificial intelligence, web development, audio and video applications. So for to learn all these, like for data science, to learn data science, to learn how computer vision, how artificial intelligence performs in the computer vision, in the web development, audio and video applications, will go for this Python for computer science students. Next, now we start actual. What is meant by Python? How the Python? Where the Python uses? What is the definition? What are the some basic instructions in all this unit one? Before that, course objective you have to uh, know about this course objective. Whatever. So these are the five course objectives. The first one is to learn the fundamentals of Python. First course objective. Second one is to elucidate problem solving using a Python programming language, to introduce a function oriented program paradigm through Python. The next one is to get training in the development of solutions using modular concepts, to introduce the programming constructs of Python. So this is the course 5 course objective. Um, what after completion of Python, after completion of unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 as our syllabus, after completion of the first unit you learn the fundamentals. After the completion of the second unit you know the problem solving. After the completion of third unit you can define the function oriented programming through Python. So like this, there is a 5 units which is used to define the course objective for each and every unit. Next coming to the syllabus. So syllabus, from here actual our subject will be starts. So in the first unit we have, this is the first unit syllabus. In the first unit we have introduction. The first part of unit 1 is introduction. The second part is variables, assignments and statement. The third part is functions. So this is the syllabus which defines. So in the introduction part, what is a program? What is the program, and what is the meant by the program? First program, like in the C, if you take the C language, and how the program will be written in the C language, how the program will be written in this Python programming language. We'll discuss in the first unit, first part. So next, coming to the running Python means how to install the Python. So how the Python will be going to be installed, in what way, in what interpreter we'll use, in what different Python installation will be defined in running Python. Next one, arithmetic operators. What is meant by arithmetic operators? How the arithmetic operators can be defined? What are the arithmetic operators used in the to run the Python or to make a Python program? So that is the third topic in the first part of unit 1. Next, coming to the values and types. So what are the values? What are the values can be defined? How the values can be defined? What are the how the value is based on the different type? If you take the data types like integer, character, string. So integer, normal values, character, string, all can be discussed in these values and types. So this is the unit 1 first part. Next, coming to the unit 1 second part, variables, assignment and statement. So these variables, assignments and statements can be defined all these topics, 5 topics. One is assignment statement, script mode, order of operations, string operations, comments. So first one, assignment statements. What is meant by assignment? The name itself defines the assigning a value to the statement, whatever the statement, like a is equals to 10, b is equals to 10, or like this. So this is the assignment statement. Next, script mode. So script mode means generally we have the Python, in the Python we have the two modes. One is interactive mode and script mode. So that interactive mode defines one of the way to define the interactive way. Next, script mode defines the script, how the Python programming. In the later, in the coming sessions, I will discuss what is interactive mode and what is script mode in a practical way. So this is the second topic, and third topic is order of operations. So how the order of operations can be defined? So there is a operations to be performed in one order. So for we should follow that type of order. In that type of order of operations can be defined in second part of unit 1. Next, coming to the string operations. So string operations is mainly used to define the string based on the operations based on the string. So that is the second unit, sorry, first unit, second part. Next, coming to the comments. So comments, for every program, for every line of a program, right side we have to write the comments, what that line, what that statement defines. If there is a is equals to 10, then assigning a value to, assigning a 10 or a value to a variable. So that is the command which writes in this, that comes under this second part. Next, coming to the function. This is the third part of unit 1. So in this, what is the, how the function can be called, what are the math functions? So we'll use the different math functions. And third one is composition. So composition, how the composed of on objects can be defined in the Python programming, and what are the number of functions can be adding new functions, and what are the definitions and uses, what is meant by function and what are the uses of function, and execution flow also we learn about in this topic. What is the flow, what is the flow of execution? So next one, parameters and arguments. So that defines the parameters, what are the parameters and what are the arguments defines. What are the parameters used to define in the source code, what are the object in the object code, what are the parameters and what are the arguments passing, all can be defined in this function. Next, coming to the variables and parameters are local. So there are number of variables and parameters can be local and also variable. Here we will discuss the local variables and local parameters. And the next topic is stack diagram. So what are the stack diagram? What is the, how the stack diagram, how the stack stores and executes, all this comes under the stack diagram. Next, there is a fruitful functions and void function. In the second unit also you'll have fruitful function. So in that case, and void functions, in that case we'll go for this function. And next one, last one is y function. So y function defines the every way to define the y function, means it is a one of the topic, one of the function way to define the protocol. So that is discussed in these functions. So these are all the you can call it as a syllabus of unit 1, unit 2, sorry, unit 1 first part, second part and third part. So this is about introduction of Python. So next, coming to actual our subject introduction. So in the next video I will start the introduction from the introduction part. So this is only the introduction by Python and what is the syllabus under JNTU Anantapur. So this is the unit 1 syllabus, and for why Python for all the students like civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, and computer science students. What is the need of those? What is the need for those students? All this comes under this video. Hope you all understood about this video, this lecture. So thank you very much.